We've had many hypergrade copper results at Caribou Dome for our drilling programs to date, and this is in line with what we have seen in the past. Caribou Dome is a hypergrade deposit, and a hypergrade's a recognised term on deposit styles, mineralisation amounts in deposit, and it's typically for metal content over 3%, which our average grade is 3.1%. We've regularly had copper results in the teens, high teens in the past. And so this is more along the lines of what we've seen historically, and we're extending the known limits of that now. And we're happy to report that it's remaining very high grade, hypergrade in what we're finding. The program this year and 2025 and 2024, they were designed to really improve the structural understanding of the ore body, which is quite complicated. We've gotten our heads around that, as you can see in the detailed cross sections. We're showing that there is a system there that's offsetting the ore body, and we're able to pick it up from one hole to the next. We've now taken it down to the deepest level that we have with our drilling in the last 2 years, down to about 280 plus meters from the surface in vertical change. So for us, the significance is we're seeing the structural patterns, we're picking it up as it goes deeper, and we expect to continue to do that in 2026. So I've got plans to drill some quite deep holes to take the known extents a lot deeper than where they currently are. And that in itself should provide quite a significant uplift in the resource volumes and so forth. Building on what my last answer was, basically understanding all the structures, and that's the key to de-risking it. But one of the interesting things is nowhere do we see the ore body, the grade just drop away. We see it faulted off. And what that tells us is that we're part of a much bigger high grade system that has had structural complications, but we're not at the source of the mineralisation, and we're also not on the flanks of the mineralisation. So it's saying to us, this is a larger system than what was anticipated from the early days of discovery there. We think that effectively does de-risk the project in some way, because as we understand the geometry a lot better and the offsets, we think that we can target the extensions a lot better as well. So that is the way I view it, as de-risking. But in this process, we've also identified another style of mineralisation that hasn't previously been brought to attention, and that's a gold bearing, lower grade, sort of more diffuse or more finely disseminated copper host as well. There's a lot more work to be done on that. We haven't seen it all that extensively, but once again, we didn't really look for it in this way before. It's really since we put all the core in a processing facility in Wasilla, where we've had more than just a field season to really sweat over the core in great lighting conditions and all the tools that you need to start identifying features that haven't always been seen in previous campaigns as well. So for that side of it, it's quite exciting, because what we take from we learn at Caribou Dome, we take further afield in the greater Alaska Range project, and it's assisting us with further targeting as well.